Microsoft Forms are a great way of creating branded surveys, polls, quizzes and forms, which enable you to easily see results as they come in. To create a form, you will first need to log into your Office 365 account. If you cannot see the Forms logo when you initially log into Office 365, then click the tile icon in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then select All Apps to see all of the Office 365 applications. Then select Forms. This will open a new tab in your browser and you'll be taken to the Forms application. On the left-hand side, you'll see that there is the option to either create a new form or a new quiz. Click New Form. Start by naming the form. Click the default title and change the name to whatever you like. I will name this one Project 5 Social. You are also given the option to add a description. Next, click Add Question. You will see that you're given a few different options. Select Choice. You will now be asked to add in a question. When you have done this, you will need to add in the answer options. If you have more than the 2 options that appear by default, just select Add Option. You can also add an Other option. To delete an option that you've already added, hover over the option box and you'll notice a rubbish bin appear to the right-hand side of it. Simply click it. You can also change the toggles on the bottom to allow multiple answers or to make that question required, which means that it needs an answer. The 3 dots on the bottom right of the question gives you the option to add a subtitle. There is also a shuffle option which will randomly shuffle the order of the options when viewed by the recipient. Some choice questions will automatically suggest options for you. Let me show you. Click Add Question, then select Choice again. In the question box, write what day of the week should we go, and you'll notice that suggested options have appeared. Just click on the days that you want to be set as answers. When you're creating a form, you can go in and edit all of the individual questions by clicking them. You can also change the order of the questions. To do this, click the question to edit it. Then click the up and down arrows on the top right-hand corner of the box to move it up and down. The other 2 options to the right of the arrows are to copy the question and delete it. If you add a text question, you'll be able to add restrictions when the answer is number-based. Type in the question, then select the 3 dots and click Restrictions. An option will now appear for you to set the number restrictions. I will set it for between 2 and 7. This will limit the recipient to choosing between 2 and 7. The rating option does exactly what it says on the tin. It will allow your recipients to give a rating to the question that they've been asked. For example, I'll change the question to Rate our last social event. You can then change the levels to either 5 or 10 and the symbol to stars or numbers. Adding a new question and selecting date will add in a question and give the user full reign to choose a date which is best for them. The last question option that we will talk about is Likert. This will add a table in that allows you to change the statement to the left-hand side and the options along the top. When you've finished adding in all the questions you want to include, you can edit the theme of your form. There are default built-in colours and themes, but we like to brand ours. To do this, click Theme on the top right-hand side of your screen. Then select the Upload Image icon and locate the image you want to use. We are now ready to preview this form. Select Preview, which is located in the top right-hand corner next to Theme. You'll be able to view what your form would look like on a computer and a mobile device. When you're happy with your form, click Submit, then click Back. To send a form to the rest of your team, click Share in the top right-hand side of your screen. You have the option to grab the link, a QR code, embed the form or email it. The easiest option is to copy the link that has been provided. You can then either copy that straight into an email or create a hyperlink within your email. To do this, highlight the word you want to be a link. Right-click and select Link. A pop-up box will appear. You can then paste the URL into the address section. Then select OK. When that word is now clicked, they'll be taken straight to the form. You can go into the form to check the responses. The names of the people who have responded will be available to you, so you will know who you need to chase for a reply. Now when you go into Forms, all the forms you've created will be tiled on the homepage of the application for easy access. We hope you found this useful. For more tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube channel.